Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to open YouTube audio library on your mobile. First you need to open your YouTube application, and after you've done that, you can click on the profile icon on the bottom right. It will lead you to this page, and click on the settings on the top right. Then you can click on the about at the bottom of the page. Then you can click on help, which will lead you to this page, and you can go on the search help button where you can type in audio library. But you can see that there comes an option called use music and sound effects from the audio library. So you can click there and it will redirect you to this page. You can see many options like sound effects and open the audio library, and you can click on this link. And this link will redirect you to your Chrome, and here you have it. Your YouTube audio library is now open on your mobile. Thank you for listening and hope it helped. See you in the next tutorial.